Using ChatGPT, but not getting the answers you expected? Yeah, that usually comes down to a few simple mistakes. In this video, I'll show you the most common ones, and how to fix them so you get faster, clearer, and way more useful responses. The biggest mistake is being too vague. If you type something like explain marketing, the answer will be broad and generic. But if you say explain digital marketing for small businesses in simple terms, suddenly the result becomes much more useful. ChatGPT performs much better when it understands your situation. If you're writing an article, mention your audience. If you're coding, say the language and your goal. A little context can completely change the quality of the answer. A lot of people try to do everything in one massive prompt. Instead, break it into steps. Ask for an outline first, then details, then improvements. Step-by-step prompting almost always gives better results. ChatGPT is powerful, but it isn't perfect. So always double-check important facts, numbers, or instructions before using them. Think of it like a smart assistant. Helpful, yeah, but still something you should verify. If the answer isn't quite right, don't start over. Just refine it. Ask it to shorten the text, simplify the wording, or rewrite it in a different tone. Follow-up prompts are honestly where ChatGPT really shines. If you want a list, say list. If you want a script, say script. If you want bullet points, say bullet points. Telling ChatGPT the format saves time and gives cleaner results immediately. ChatGPT isn't magic. It's a tool. It works best when you guide it, refine prompts, and improve instructions over time. The clearer you ask, the smarter it responds. And that's it. Avoid these mistakes and you'll instantly get better results from ChatGPT. Clear prompts, good context, and smart follow-ups. That's the real secret.